Hey, let's go get some pizza.
Let's do it.
Pizza?
Here you drive.
What?
Snakes. Why did it have to be snakes?
Those seats snug, man.
Yeah, they're comfy.
Does this have a? Does it come with the seatbelt?
Nope.
Okay, wait. There we go. That hugs you.
It's good. Nice. It's like a hug. Quarantine hug.
Okay.
Do you want to start it?
I gotta. It doesn't turn.
No, you.
Engine.
There it is.
Holy cats. Okay.
Actually, not cats, horses.
Holy horses.
Holy horses.
Jam closing to the rail.
I'm still going the speed limit, by the way. And the supercharger kicks in at what RPMs?
Filled a little bit, but you really filled about 3,000.
You feel every pump.
Yeah, every bump. So the ACR version of this car is the suspension's 3 times stiffer.
Really? So what does that equate to? I mean,
I don't even know.
just it's gonna be a lot more. You're gonna
Just
feel every
stiff.
pump. He wants to race me seriously? The V6?
Honda Accord.
What does this weigh?
I have it 3,100 pounds.
3,100 pounds.
Yeah.
What's my Prius weigh?
I don't have any idea. It's your Prius. You should know how much it weighs.
It's probably more than that though.
It probably is. Yeah, yeah.
It's probably close to 4,000.
4-ish.
Is this way to get pizza?
It's the best way.
Matt stuck his head out the window to check and see if the camera was still on, and his hat flew off. So he had to run back down the street to grab his hat.
Thanks for the directions, okay?
And remember, kid, you get
I have to admit, this is the way to go get pizza.
Yeah, this is the way to get pizza. Yeah. So oil pressure, oil temp with the water, battery.
So I'm naive to this. So a 220 engine, what does that mean?
I don't know, I like it when they're all pointing straight up and down.
Oh, got it. That's what you want to aim for. On the highway, that's about what I get on my Prius.
Give or take 20, you know.
28.
We got pizza.